Today we're working in partnership with Rebuilding Together of North Suburban Chicago. It's an awesome organization that works with predominantly fixed-income seniors who are looking to have exterior renovations to their home. Today we have about 100 volunteers working at 5 different sites, and at this particular site we're working on an accessibility ramp for a family. Rebuilding Day is one of my favorite days of the year. It's very rare that you get a chance to go out into the community and do projects that are as meaningful as these. The group is really excited. It's a combination of support from Northwestern University, the City of Evanston, Power Construction, volunteers from Mortenson, Evanston Lumber, and we're just thankful to be able to work with this family who really needs this support. Northwestern was a great partner. They raise a ton of money, a lot of volunteers, and we do projects that are out of the scope and magnitude of what we normally get to do. Our goal is to really just be a good neighbor. I mean, I think our community is stronger when we work together, and we're doing a lot of really creative things like we're doing today to help strengthen our great community.